disconnect because of the internet connection. It was disconnected. Once again, let's me to join this. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible. Okay. So Q stands for quality factor here now. So that is the inductor quality we are going to check here now. The circuit quality factor is expressed as omega L1 divided by R. We know the formula for L1. What is the L1 formula? Previously, just now we have derived that one here now. L1 formula is, what is that one? R2, R3 into C4. Yes? L1 for omega, I will keep as it is here. And what is the R1 formula? What is the formula for R1?
R2 into R3 upon R4.
R2, R3 upon
R4.
R4. So this R2, R3 and this R2, R3 I can cancel here now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here 1 by R4 is there. When I'll send into numerator, it will become multiplication factor here now. So that formula, it will become omega C4 into R4 in the form of the standard value or known value. We have derived the equation. By using this one, we'll get the formula for the quality factor here now. If we know IL1 and R1, then directly we can substitute. If don't know, then by using this formula also we can identify the quality factor of the inductor here now. So it completes the Maxwell inductance and capacitance bridge. It has some total, we are not telling about the Maxwell inductance bridge only. Total Maxwell inductance and inductance capacitance bridge. Here some advantages are there. You have observed the equations or not, I don't know about that one. The balance equations, there is no frequency at all. Is there any frequency in the balance equations? Here, is there any omega term here? Omega equal to 2 phi f in this equation? Here, L1 and R1 equation?
No.
No, but in the quality factor, the term is there. Omega is there. But for the balance equation, there is no frequency term here now. So there is no variation of that one. So that is the advantage, that the balance equation of the circuit is free from the frequency. And both balance equations are independent of each other. एक equation को दूसरा equation dependent नहीं है. See here is there any L1 term here? Is there any L1 term? No. Is there any R1 term here? R1 is there here? The L1
No.
equation. In the L1 equation, there is no R1 term. In the R1 equation, there is no L1 term. So both are independent of each other. We can call that one. The Maxwell's inductor capacitance bridge is used for the measurement of the high range of inductance. For the high range of inductance, we are going to use. But the main disadvantage is there. That is called the variable. This capacitance we are going to use, that is costlier here. Now that is the main disadvantage. The Maxwell inductance capacitance bridge requires a variable capacitor, which is very expensive. The variable capacitance is very expensive. Thus, sometimes the standard variable capacitor is used in this bridge here now. So this bridge is only used for the measurement of medium quality coils. Medium quality coils, quality factor of the coil we can use. It is not applicable for the high quality of quality factor or high inductance values, high quality factor inductance values. Can call that ones. These are the advantages, disadvantages. So I am going to show once again. I am telling to I am showing the equations. You note it down, or you can take the screenshot. Once I will display the problem, you have to solve the problem. No exclusion in that one. All of you people, you have to solve the problem. This is Maxwell inductance capacitance bridge formula. This is Maxwell inductance formula here now. This one and this one. Already this one I told in the explanation. You note that problems, sorry, equations. So next we will go for the problems here. Now you take the problem here, and according to that you can draw the circuit diagram. Question number 1, R2 equal to 400 ohm, R3 equal to 600 ohm, R4 equal to 1000 ohm, C4 equal to 0.5 microfarad. Calculate the value of R1 and L1. Also calculate the value of quality factor of coil if frequency is 100 Hertz. So given data clearly they have given here. No, R2 they have given, R3 they have given, R4 they have given, C4 they have given. You substitute write the given data, then write the formulas, whatever I have displayed in the previous slide. The formula you have to write down. Substitute the value of this R2, R3, R4 and calculate R1. Substitute the value of R2, R3 and C4, calculate the value of L1. And substitute this R1 and L1 value with omega equal to 2 phi f. In the place of f, you substitute 1000 ohm, 1000 hertz, and you will calculate the quality factor here. Will you calculate? Will you do the calculation? I'm asking to you peoples only. It is applicable for the inductance capacitance bridge only. This is the given data. This is the given data. So R2 equal to 400, R3 equal to 600, R4 equal to 1000, C4 equal to 0.5 microfarad. So you substitute, you get the formula of that one and substitute, calculate L1 and R1 value here. Do the calculation of R1 and L1 value. Roll number 9, Mahek Patel. Roll number 14, Srutika.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Roll number 20, Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan Murde. Roll number 20. Roll number 20, Harshvardhan. I'll put absent. (26) Shubham Madi. Roll number 26, Shubham. Roll number 26, Shubham Madi. 26 also. Roll number 31.
Yes, sir.
Will you solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell the answer then. Roll number 33, Govind. Roll number 33. Your voice is not audible.
Yes, sir.
Tell the answer. Dhanasri Dalve. Roll number 3. Roll number 3. Unmute and speak out. Dhanasri. Dhanasri. Roll number 3. इतना पूछने के बाद भी रिप्लाई नहीं दिया तो सिर्फ ज्वाइन करके किधर भी बैठ गए तो हम क्या करने के उसको एब्सेंट ही डालता हूँ फिर. Okay. Can anyone tell the answer? Govind has Says that R1 equal to 240. And what about the CL1? What about the L1?
0.12.
0.12. We'll see that one. See here, R1, R2, R3, R4 he has given. The R1 formula is very simple. That is R1 equal to R2, R3 divided by R4 here. So R2 equal to 400 you substitute. R3 equal to 600 you substitute, divided by 1000. Okay. And here L1 equal to R2, R3 into C4 is there. C4 is 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into R2 equal to 400, R3 equal to 600 here. So by substituting this value, it is 240 ohm. R1 is 240 ohm, correct, and L1 is 0.12 Henry. It is the correct answer. So now, anyone, can you tell me the Q factor value? Very good, very good. So many people still have replied. Roll number 14, 38, roll number 6, roll number 33, 38. Okay, very good. Next, calculate the Q factor. Q factor equal to omega L1 divided by R1. Also, you can do that one, or omega C4 R4 also you can do that one. Any formula we can substitute. You know the omega equal to 2 phi f. 2 phi of f is 1000. They have given here now. L1 already just now you have calculated to substitute L1, and R1 is 240. You substitute. Otherwise, you know the value of C4 and R4 already in the given data he has given. So omega equal to 2 phi into 1000 into C4 is 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into R4 equal to 1000. By using this formula also, we can calculate that one. So everyone still, they are telling that 240.12 only. I am asking now the quality factor. I am asking here, can anyone tell the answer for the quality factor? So just substitute the value and you will get the answer here now. See here, omega L1 divided by R1. L1 is already calculated here. R1 is also calculated here. And by substituting this here, 2 phi of L1 divided by R1, 2 phi f is 1000 into L1 is 0.12 divided by 240 here now. The quality factor is how much it is? 3.14. 3.14 is the quality factor here now. So 0.5, he has given this one, 0.5. This 5 means don't use 360 here. It is in radian. The calculator file entering, you enter the 5 only. The VIP peoples will join now. Roll number 16 has joined now. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The screen is visible
No, sir. No, sir.
now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so the quality factor we have 3.14 here now. So you, as per our disadvantages, it is applicable only for the small quality here now. Here less than 10 only it is applicable. So this Maxwell bridge also, it has some disadvantages. For that reason, what we have derived, some scientist, he has derived one more bridge, that is advanced form of the Maxwell bridge. That name of the bridge is Hayes bridge. We are going to call that one here now. The Hayes bridge, what he has done, he has considered the Maxwell inductance bridge and Maxwell inductance and capacitance bridge. Both the bridges he has considered. By using that, by using these both the bridges here, the inductor L1 he has used same thing only. Inductor L1 he has used same thing only. But for the second branch, the Maxwell inductance bridge he has used here. No, not inductance bridge, the inductance capacitance bridge, only resistance he has mentioned here now. But the fourth one, the capacitor and resistances both were connected in the parallel situation, but now this one, these two are connected in series. These two are connected in series here now. So by using this one, how the circuit will changes, what is the formula, we can call that one here now. So other things are same only, na? R1, L1. See, this is the Z1 branch here now. Same. Z2 equal to R2, Z3 equal to R3. Same you compare with the Maxwell inductance and capacitance bridge here now. Maxwell inductance capacitance bridge, you can compare with that. There is no change at all, only here R1, L1, R2, R3. But these two are changed into series here now. R4 and C4 are connected in series. Why he has derived means, the disadvantage of this one is this bridge is used only for the measurement of medium quality factors of the coil here now. But this Hayes bridge we are going to use for the higher quality factor, that is above 10 quality factor only we are going to consider here now. So the phasor diagram we'll discuss here, that is E1 and the voltage drop across this branch 1, Z1 is nothing but E1 we have considered. Voltage drop across the branch Z2, that is called E2. Voltage drop across the branch Z3, that is called E3. Voltage drop across this Z4, that is called E4 we have considering here now. The total voltage is E here now. It is a combination of resistance and capacitance is there. It is a combination. So based on that, the current is leading or lagging we are going to discuss. But what we are going to measure by using Hayes bridge also? What we are going to measure? Inductance or capacitance we are measuring here? We are measuring what? We are measuring what here now? Inductance or capacitance or what? Which is the unknown quantity? Is it audible or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Some people they have written in the chat box 3.140 quality factor unit kya hai? This is a factor, actually it is a ratio we are going to use, so there is no unit for the quality factor. The form of 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, the factors we are going to discuss. So unit nahi rehte almost for the quality factor. Range bolte na humne 0 to 5. The qualities of any presentation webinar hai to feedback dene ke time 1 to 5 range factors dete. That one 5 indicates high, 1 indicates low, like that 1, 2, 3, 4 we are going to use here now, the quality factor. See here, the total voltage E is given here now, the supply. So here the current I1 will flow, here the current I2 will flow here. For the under balanced condition, this one act as a open circuit, so the no current will flow. This I1 will flow through the R1, L1 and R3. I2 will flow through R2, C4, R4 here now. So I1 I will consider as the reference current here now. I will consider a reference I will take here now. So I1 is completely drawn here now. I1 I have taken here now. I1 or I3 they have considered I1 equal to I3 here, because this one also I3 only. I1 and I3 both are same only. I1 R3 also can write here now. See here, at this condition, voltage drop across this resistance R1 is in phase with the current here now. Is in just a minute. Boliye madam. Good morning madam. Boliye. So the voltage drop across this resistance R1 is in phase with current. So for that reason, here the I1 is there. So I1 R1 I will draw here. This is I1 R1. I1 R1. Next, what we'll do? So the here, see here, I1 is here now. It is current flowing through the I1. The I1 is in inductive load or capacitive load. Is combination of resistance is fixed only. All that one. It has inductive load or capacitive load here. I'm asking to you people only. Hello. Is it audible? Hello.
Yes.
See here. Here the current I1 is flowing. I1 I will consider as reference phase here now. Just imagine here now. I1 I will consider as reference phase. So I1 is flowing in the inductive load here now. This is inductive load. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is a inductive load. Then the I2 is current is flowing through the resistance. Here the capacitive load is there. The capacitive current is flowing through the capacitor. Yes. If you are not replying, then I will not continue at all. Here capacitor is there or resistance this is?
Capacitor.
Then here inductive load is there. Here capacitive load is there. So the voltage should lag for capacitive load and lead for the inductive load. So here the I1 current is there. I will consider I2 here. I will consider I2 here. Then the voltage will be in between these two. In between these two here. That is called total E here. Remember this one, total E. Here from this one you consider only ये तीनों consider करो अभी. ये voltage I1 को lags करते क्या leads करते? E lags the I1 or leads the I1? Lead कर रहे हैं. क्यों तो? Because this I1 is inductive load. So inductive current lags the voltage, or for the inductive load, voltage lags the current. ये satisfied हो गया अभी? This term, voltage leads the current or current lags the voltage for the inductive load. This will satisfy?
Yes.
Yes. Then the current I2 is capacitive load. For the capacitive load, the current leads the voltage or voltage lags the current. That is, this is also satisfied here.
Yes.
So same thing we have taken here now. See here, this is I1 we have considered. Here the I2 we have considered. Here the E we have considered here. So the first current will flow here I1 R1 here now. Up to here we have taken I1 R1. Then the current will flow through the inductive load. So the voltage drop across the inductive load, which is leads the current by 90 degree here now. So I will take up here now. I will take here up. That is called I1 omega L1 here now. I1 omega L1 here now. इधर current है, current और वो voltage को 90 degree है इधर. Yes.
Yes, sir.
90 degree. Then what we'll do? This one is over. Next R3 here now. So same I1 R3. So I1 R3 we can write somewhere here now. The magnitude value may be changes here now. Next इधर से क्या करने का? आगे करने का I3 R1 here now. Sorry, I1 R3 here now. This is E3 we can write here now. E3 we can write here. This part is completed here now. Next we consider this one here now. So I2 R2. Where is the I2? Here the I2 is there. So I2 R2, the current both are in phase here now. So I2 R2 voltage drop across R2 will be in phase with the current here now. So I2 R2 I will draw here now. Up to here they have taken here now. I2 R2 is nothing but E2 here. I2 R2. Next, the current will flow through the C4. This is the very important here now. Current will flow through the C4. So voltage will leads the current or lags the current here now for the capacitive. लैग्स होना है कि लीड्स होना है? Here the current is there. This is the current of I2. It should have to lags the voltage, lags the current for capacitive load. So for that reason, some from here or here, they have taken here now, this line, which is equivalent they have drawn here now. That is called I2 by I2 XC4. XC4 is nothing but 1 by omega C4. I2 XC4. Can write I2 XC4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
IT XC4, I2 XC4 is nothing but omega C4. I2 divided by omega C4 we have written here. So I2 and how much degree the capacitive load will be, the current will be leads the voltage 90 degree. इधर से इधर 90 degree है क्या? नहीं. These two, you compare this one and this one. Is there 90 degree? Yes or no? From here to this color, I will take that one, another color. From this one, red color I have taken. Here to this one, it is 90 degree only. 90 degree or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So current flowing through the capacitor leads the voltage drop across this one by 90 degree. Then same current I2 will flow through the R4, which is in phase here now. So we have written here now I2 R4 here now. So it will reach just this one here now. So this part is over, this part is over, this part is over, this part is over. So the starting we have to make the arrangement that I1, I2, I3, how many currents are there, and with total voltage we have to draw. Then individually the current flow diagram you have to start here now, and you have to draw the phasor diagram here. You have to draw the phasor diagram. ये line का जरूरत नहीं, ये अभी you can take this one or directly from here also. If you have drawn here, this is also I2 by omega C4 only. इधर से इधर 90 degree है ना. This one also you can draw that one. That is, there is no problem at all. This is this equal to this here now. So equivalent they have drawn here now. Is it clear? The EMI subject means first word will come, first thing will come, that is phasor diagram only. How to draw the phasor diagram. Phasor diagram is only important thing here. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next, the construction, whatever I have explained here, no, just now there is all the things. That is, Hayes bridge is used for the determining the self-inductance of the circuit. The bridge is advanced form of the Maxwell bridge. The Maxwell bridge is only appropriate for measuring the medium quality factor. Hence, for measuring the high quality factor, the Hayes bridge is used in this one. ये explanation दिया ना already? दिए क्या और एक बार देना है वो बोलो मेरे को.
So explain it.
Explain करना है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, in the starting only I told this is the advanced form of Maxwell bridge. Advanced form of Maxwell bridge. In that Maxwell bridge, the resistance R4 and capacitance C4 are connected in parallel. But in the Hayes bridge, we have connected in these two are in series here. These two in series. And this is applicable for the high quality factor. The Maxwell bridge is applicable for the low quality factor, that is less than 10. But these are applicable for the high, more than 10 quality factors here. Now, for that reason, this is advanced form we are going to consider here. The bridge is advanced form of Maxwell bridge. The Maxwell bridge is only appropriate for measuring the medium quality factor. Hence, for measuring the high quality factor, the Hayes bridge is used in the circuit here. Up to here, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
In the Hayes bridge, the capacitor is connected in series with the resistance. The voltage drop across the capacitance and resistances are varied here now. Both are connected in series, so uska wajah se the voltage drop will be vary here. Now, in Maxwell bridge, the capacitance is connected in parallel with the resistance. Thus, magnitude of the voltage passed through the resistance and capacitor is equal. Both were connected in parallel means the voltage drop across both that parallel branches will be equal, but here the addition will occurs here, no? So the voltage drop, the voltage across the capacitance and resistances will be vary here now in this bridge here. So the unknown inductor L1 is placed in the arm of AB. AB में connect है and resistance. The unknown inductor is compared with the standard capacitor C4 के साथ. We are going to compare here now. So the resistance R4 is connected in series with the capacitor C4. With the diagram only I have explained these all the things. The other two non-inductive resistances R2 and R3 are connected in the arm AD and BC here now. So just a minute, I will take the circuit diagram in every slide, then it will become easy to explain you peoples. With circuit diagram explain करने का better option है ना? कौन सा circuit diagram ले आएं? This one, phase bridge. See, even the phasor diagram explanation also I have written here. All the things I have written, how to draw the system, whatever the explanation is there, same explained things I have written here. You can go through this slide also. Directly I will take the phasor diagram here to write the equations. See here. Let this is the L1. We are going to consider this L1 as the unknown inductance having a resistance of R1 here now. So this Z1 branch is unknown here. Z1 branch is unknown. So what we will do? So this one is L1. The main intention of this bridge is to calculate the L1 only. Calculate the L1, the unknown inductance value we have to calculate. Here we have L1 and R1 we have considered as unknown here now. So R2 equal to Z2, R3 equal to Z3, we can write down here now, and Z4 equal to R4 plus JXC4, we can write that one. XC4 equal to 1 by omega C4 also, we can write this one here. 1 by omega XC4 we can write here now. It may be plus or minus, based on that value we can consider that one here. So let the R2, R3, R4 known non-inductive resistances, C4 is the standard here now. So L1 is the unknown here now. Only L1 we have to find out here now. Therefore, we know at balanced condition Z1 equal to Z4 and Z4 equal to Z2, Z3 here. From this formula, circuit diagram, can you tell me the formula for Z1? Can you tell me the formula for Z1? I'm asking to you people only. Here, by considering this one, what do you mean by Z1? Z1 equal to? इतना डिस्कशन करने के बाद ये चुप बैठने का तरीका अच्छा नहीं है. Already we have discussed Maxwell bridge, Kelvin double bridge, and the simple form of AC, Whitson bridge. We have discussed the same formula we have used. We have to derive that Z1 equation here. No need to derive directly. By seeing the figure, you can tell that one. I'm asking to you peoples only. Any one of you. Why we have to take the name and we have to wait for them? Any one of you, it will see, listening will only, listening mode will not improve your knowledge. Whenever you will try to speak out, then only your knowledge will be double. Is it audible or not? Audible, is it?
Yes, sir.
Then tell the answer.
Yes,
Na? Z1 equal to?
Z1 equal to R1 plus J omega L1.
R1 plus J omega L1. J omega L1 is nothing but J XL1. It is nothing but omega equal to J XL equal to omega L. So reactance, you have to know that one. XL equal to omega L. Okay. XC equal to X equal to 1 by omega C. Yes. This formula you know, all of you. This formula you know or not?
Yes, sir.
So this one also you have to remember, because here we have to consider all the formulas here now. It may be plus or minus, whatever you can use based on that one here now. But for the inductive load, we are going to use plus only here now. So Z1 equal to R1 plus J omega L1 we are going to use. Z2 equal to R2. Z3 equal to R3. Z4 equal to, anyone can you tell me? Z4 equal to?
R4 minus JX.
R4 minus JXC. XC is nothing but 1 by omega C. XC is nothing but, here C4 is there. We can use C4, JXC4 here. So the Z4 equal to R4 minus JXC4. Here I will keep R4 as it is, minus sign as it is. J also I will keep as it is here. Now omega C4 we can write here. Now 1 by omega C4 here. So this 1 by J equal to minus J we can write. 1 by J equal to minus J. Yes. 1 by J equal to minus J, or minus 1 by J equal to plus J. The sign will changes. Here minus J is there. This minus J I will send into denominator. So it will become plus here now. R4 plus 1 by J omega C4. We are going to use the formula for the capacitance here now. Z4 here. Z4 equal to R4 plus 1 by J omega C4 here. Now the Z4 we have derived, Z3 we know that one, Z2 we know that one, Z1 we know that one. Substitute in the equation number 1 here. We substitute in the equation number 1 here now. So Z1 equal to R1 plus J omega L1. I will substitute here into Z4 equal to R4 plus minus this one only we have used, R4 minus J omega C4 equal to Z2 R2. Z2 equal to R2, Z3 equal to R3. So R2 R3 we have used here. Next, so R1 into R4, I will split this one into multiplication factor. Split this one here now. R1 into R4, I will write R1 into R4 plus symbol as it is here now. So J omega L1 minus is that here now, minus J into J. What is that one? J into J. What is the formula? J square equal to, मैथमेटिक्स में पुअर है आप लोग ऐसा, फिर J square equal to J into J square equal to -1. I don't know how many of you remember this one. मालूम है क्या नहीं? I am asking to you people only. J into J square equal to -1, we can call that one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then why you people are waiting? Who is told you? Try to give the interaction, then only if you are understanding or not, how I will get to know that one. Simply if you want explanation means I will explain that one and I will leave the meeting. R1 into R4 here, this term you multiply into here. Okay, so R1 into R4 we have written here now. So here minus J omega L, sorry, plus J omega L1 is there. Here minus J omega C4 is there here now. By doing the multiplication here now, this J and this J, what it will become? J square. Here the minus is there. Minus into minus plus. So plus omega L1 divided by omega C4. So omega get cancelled here now. This omega get cancelled. Omega cancel. So the left term is L1 by C4. L1 by C4 I have written here. L1 by C4. ये क्लियर हो गया क्या? This term क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो पूछो, अब भी पूछो, मैं एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए रेडी हूँ. बाद में हाउ यू गॉट सर ऐसा बोल के नहीं पूछने का. नाउ ओनली यू आस्क मी. Is it clear this term? By multiplying these two, we'll get L1 by C4 here. Okay, next plus symbol as it is, we'll keep here now. Next, so R1 into where we have went here, sorry, J omega L1 into R4 here now, plus J omega L1 into R4, we will do that one. So first one is here. Next, minus J into R1 divided by omega C4 here now, minus J into R1 divided by omega C4 equal to R2 R3 here. So by keeping this equation here, see here, both are dependent here now, separating the real and imaginary terms here, separating the real and imaginary terms here. This is the real term, this is also real term, there is no J term here now, and this is also real term here now. So R1 R4 plus L1 by C4 equal to R2 R3, and L1 equal to, from this one, J omega, and this minus J by omega, it will get omega into omega, omega square, it will become R1 divided by omega square R4 C4 here now. See, it has some disadvantages also. See, R1 expression, R1 and L1 both will came in one equation. दोनों एक ही equation में है इधर. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So both are dependent to each other. Both are dependent to each other. Yes, here also L1 R1 is there. Both are dependent to each other. And here the omega term is there. Omega term is nothing but 2 pi f square is nothing but it is also dependent on the frequency also. There is a frequency term is there. Yes. So this one, what we have to do by using these two equations, here the L1 is there. In this place of L1, what we have to do? We have to substitute this equation here. Now, this equation we have to substitute here. So then we can remove the L1 term. L1 term gap ho jayega isme. We'll get the R1 two terms. We can separate the terms here. Now we have to do the derivation here. So substituting L1 in the first equation, real term of the equation, we will get that. Solving the above equation, R1 R4 plus A, this by solving this one here now. So in this place of L1, what we will substitute? R1 divided by omega square R4 C4 we will substitute here. R1 R4 I will keep as it is here, plus this one in the place of L1 I will substitute R1 divided by omega square. Here already one C4 is there, this C4 here now. C4 square हो गए ये दोनों. Already C4 is there, here also C4 is there. So omega square C4 square into R4 equal to R2 R3. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Next, this one, what you will do? You take the R1, here also R1 is there, here also R1 is there. You take the R1 term outside here now. R4 will keep as it is here now. Plus 1 by omega square C4 square R4 equal to R2 R3. To simply keep as it is here. Next, this complete term you take the LCM here now. So I will write here overall here now LCM, not this term here now. So just a minute. R4 square. Okay, correct. This complete term will consider as LCM here now. So this complete term will multiply into here. This complete term will be multiplied to here. So I will write LCM here now, omega square C4 square R4 here I will write here now. This complete term multiply into here means omega square C4 square R4 into R4. That is called R4 square. It will happen. Yes. R4 square omega square C4 square R4 square plus 1 divided by whole thing. We will keep this one as it is here now. So what you will do here, R1 term is there, here R2 R3 is there, R2 R1 equal to R2 R3. When this whole term you will send into RHS side, what will become? It is, this will become multiplication and it will come into denominator. Yes. 4 by 2 here R1 equal to, sorry, R1 equal to, I will tell that one. Just a minute. Just समझाने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं. R1 4 divided by 3 है अभी. 4 divided by 3 equal to R2 R3 है. R2 R3. This term we can write R1 equal to R2 R3 into 3 divided by 4 ऐसा लिख सकते. When I will send 3 into here and 4 into here now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So same thing we have written here now. So omega square C4 square R2 R3 R4. This term will multiply into here, and this term will divide into this RHS side here now. So 1 plus omega square C4 square R4 square. Then what you do? This R1 term is there here now. You substitute into the this L1 term. इसमें L1 में इधर R1 है इधर. L1 में R1 term है, is there or not? Previously we have derived the equation. Here from the R1 equation we have removed the L1 term. Is there any L1 term here now? Is there any L1 term? L1 है क्या इसमें? अरे बाप रे, रिप्लाई तो दे दो ना बाबा, कोई तो एक रिप्लाई दे दो. Why you people are doing like this? अभी ये ऐसे हो गए तो आगे का कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा आप लोगों को. फिर how will study mathematics then? Is there any L1 term here?
No, sir.
L1, you substitute L1 in the place of L1 equal to R1 value, you substitute here and you will get this equation, and the L1 again after the cancelling this one here now, R4 omega square get cancelled here, C4 and C4 square get cancelled here now, and R4 get cancelled here now. So after that one, the left term is L1 equal to C4 R2 R3 divided by 1 plus omega square C4 square R4 square. So by using this one, we have calculated L1 and R1 formula. So the quality factor, we have to write the formula omega L1 divided by R1, substitute L1 and R1 here now, we will get the quality factor formula here now. It completes the Hayes bridge. The next class I will not ask any question to you people. Simply I will explain and I will finish the syllabus. आपको वही चाहते हैं ना? You want this one only. Explanation like this only. If you people are not interacting at all, means what is the मतलब क्या है? Then I will also do like that only then. Okay, we'll stop here only and we'll continue in the next class.